Okay, I'm gonna be doing a cold start video. The car has been sitting for the last couple of days. Key right in the middle, as typical Saab of that era. As soon as the weather gets better, I'm gonna be doing a driving video. Right now it's pouring outside, typical BC weather. The engine sounds pretty healthy. Battery is new. I replaced the starter motor. New rotors, rotors cap, spark plug wires. I've replaced the vacuum lines. It has a new clutch. Fresh oil change. Same for the transmission oil. Okay, as soon as the weather gets better, I will be doing a driving video.